Hello, welcome to the Handyman Show. Okay, so first of all, thanks for watching, and just do us a favor and subscribe to the channel. Today, as you can see, we're gonna replace the license plate light bulb on the 2017 Kia Sorento, a Kia Sorento, 2017 Kia Sorento. Okay, so we're not gonna do much talking. So just watch and follow along. Okay, it's not that hard. All you need is some type of screwdriver. If you don't have what I'm using now, you can have a screwdriver that fit in there, and unscrew that glass cover off, and then once you pull it off, inside is the light bulb. So you can either put the dial thing out, or just replace, take the light bulb out, take it out, and replace it with a brand new one. Right. And you can get these light bulbs at if you live in the USA, it's in your local AutoZone, auto parts stores, AutoZone, like AutoZones and Raleigh, or Bumper to Bumper, uh, whichever one you choose. Okay, I believe every auto parts store will carry this. So that's it. Get that out and put the new one in, just the way you took the old one out. Okay, and do not worry. They may not be, the new ones may not be the same size, or may not look exactly like the old ones, but it'll work. All right. Try. If it doesn't work, then you might want to try to replace it. But trust me, it'll work. As you can see, mine is working perfectly. Now, if you close to the one I had in there, the one I had in there was a little bit, just kind of smaller than the new one. So I was kind of first discouraged about it, but then I had to try it, and it works. So, and then put the cover back on just the same way you took it off, and screw it back on, and that's it. All right. So just do exactly the same thing, and then you should be good to go. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. And this is actually a handyman channel, so there's gonna be a bunch of things to talk about, and so many stuff to fix on here. All right. So as you can see, just the same way. All right. Thanks, and subscribe, like, and share, and comment also, and let us know what you think. Thank you.